Hello guys, welcome to etrainerbox. In this video we will discuss about if and functions. What is the difference between if function and if and functions together? In the if function you have one argument which can be true or false. But if you have more than one argument which must be true, then you need to use if and functions together. Before I start my video further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the all videos notifications. We have the database in which we have employee ID, gender, employee name, sales target and sales. And we will discuss about two different scenario or examples in which we can learn how to use if and function together. So in our first example, I wanted if any of the employee achieve the sales target more than 10,000 but less than 20,000, then he will eligible for two bonuses and promotion. So right now we have two arguments. First argument is achieve the sales more than sales target. Then second argument is achieve the sales less than 20,000. So here we will use if and function together. So I will go here and equal if bracket. Now here we will use AND function in the logical test. So AND bracket. So our first logical argument is the sales greater than sales target, comma, and second argument is sales less than 20,000, bracket close. If these two conditions are correct, then this employee eligible for two bonuses and promotion. So here I will write it, two bonuses and promotion, comma. In case if both conditions are false, then show nothing. Inverted commas, blank, bracket close, press enter. And you can see this employee get nothing. I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells. And here you can see we have here 5 employees who are eligible for two bonuses and promotion. So if you check the sales, you can see this employee achieve 16,000, which is more than 10,000 but less than 20,000, so he will eligible for two bonuses and promotion. Similarly, these employees 14,000 sales, 18,000 sales, and here 12,000 sales and 17,000 sales, which are more than 10,000 but less than 20,000. So if I change the sales amount here, for example 21,000, then you can see I got nothing. Why? Because my one condition is false, and AND function is working only in that case if both logical argument or both conditions are true. Otherwise AND function will not work. So I will revert back the changes, and you can see I got the again same message, to bonuses and promotion. So if I change the sales amount here, for example 21,000, then you can see I got nothing. Why? Because my one condition is false, and AND function is working only in that case if both logical argument or both conditions are true. Otherwise AND function will not work. So I will revert back the changes, and you can see I got the again same message, to bonuses and promotion. In our second example, we have two conditions again. The first one is any of the employee has greater than 5,000 sales, and second condition is less than 10,000 sales, then he or she will eligible for 20% bonus, otherwise get nothing. So here I will use again if and function together, equal if bracket and bracket. So the first logical argument is sales greater than 5,000, comma, Second logical argument is sales less than 10,000 bracket close for end function. In case both conditions true, then this employee eligible for 20% bonus. So here I will write it 20% bonus. If any of the conditions false, then this employee get nothing. So I will use blank inverted commas, bracket close, press enter. And you can see this employee get 20% bonus. Why? If you see the sales, it meets the both condition. First one is sales greater than 5,000 and second one is sales less than 10,000. That is why he is eligible for 20% bonus. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see many of the employees get nothing. Why? If you see the sales of these three employees, the first condition was the sales must be greater than 5,000. So these three employees do not meet the first condition or first criteria. That is why the first logical argument is false, and here we get nothing. And if you see this employee sales, the sales of this employee greater than 10,000, so it's mean the second condition is false. Our second condition was sales less than 10,000, but this employee has greater than 10,000. That is why he did not get anything. So in this way you can use if and function together, but you have to remember your both condition must be true, otherwise and function will not work. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you very much.